Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a text drop shadow in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Next, select Effect from the panel and search for Drop Shadow Effect, then drag it onto the text layer. Drag the text layer longer if needed. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel and click on the Drop Shadow settings to make adjustments for the shadow. Change shadow settings such as opacity, distance, direction and softness to create the desired effect. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text with a dynamic shadow effect. Now, you know how to create a drop shadow to text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.